This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing. This avoids lost layouts. First, verify your OS version and make one backup to iCloud or Google Drive because restoring needs a checkpoint. Next, identify the active launcher, widget settings, and any icon packs you used, since those control appearance. Once done, reinstall or re-enable the original launcher app and grant home and storage permissions so the system can read your layout. This step sets the stage for an accurate restore and prevents mismatched icons or missing widgets later. You now perform the core restoration. Open the original launcher settings and use the built-in restore or import layout option if present, because it brings back positions and widgets. If no automatic option exists, manually re-add home pages, place widgets, and recreate folders in the same order. Matching sizes and spans matters. Make sure to reapply the icon pack, set grid size and dock preferences to the previous values, and then swipe through each page to confirm icons and widgets respond as before. You finish by validating and fixing any issues. Reboot the device and clear the launcher cache if icons or widgets act odd, because temporary data often causes layout glitches. If the restored pages look wrong, re-export or re-import the launcher's backup snapshot. This preserves positions exactly. Make sure the original launcher is set as the default home app in settings so changes stick. If things still fail, boot into safe mode to check for third-party app conflicts. This isolates problems before you reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.